Bravo's over the DZ.
Charlie standing by.
Nods on, our strobes on.
Keep it quiet. Bravo is inbound. Solid copy. Move to set. Drop him. Bravo inbound. All teams, Bravo's on deck. Pushing up. Alpha to Charlie, you set?
Affirm.
All teams, green to go in phase 2.
Check.
Rog.
Doors locked.
Rog, on it. Got it. All clear.
Descending stairwell, south side.
All shooters be advised, enemies launching an attack bird. Copy, we're heads up. Knock off.
Movement in the courtyard. Looks like a prisoner transfer.
Not our guy, on me. We hold for Charlie to light the fire, then head for the hatch in the courtyard to move interior. Pull up here. All teams, Alpha's in position. Copy, Bravo set.
Charge is hot. Charlie good to go.
Fire in the hole, stand by.
3, 2, 1, execute.
Hostiles incoming! Targets in the window. Clear. 2-1. Rally at the hatch for entry.
Enemies incoming. Get on the ground.
Bravo. Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status? Outside the control room. Waiting on you. Copy. In the air duct. Stand by.
All teams, let's roll thunder. Bravo, pull the plug.
Roger. Blackout in 3, 2, 1.